Subramanya Swami, when Subramanya Swami Shanmukha Day Shashti, and we celebrate him, and during the Kartik Masa, Shiva, Rudra, and Subramanya, and Devis are all very much important. So Rudrabhisheka, Subramanya Puja, and all important. And Rudra is nobody but Surya Bhagavan only. So whenever you think of Rudra, you're also thinking of the puja, abhisheka, and reverence to the great God, Surya Bhagavan, because Surya is all in all. And he is said to be, as we have already noted down in our Varna Prashna journey, Ratrer Vatsaha Sveta Adityaha. So he is the child of the night. And he is Svetaha Adityaha. When he is born, red, like a child, like a baby out from the mother's womb. Then he turns color, white color in case of Surya Bhagavan, Svetaha Adityaha. When he becomes Aditya, he will become a pure Sveta Varna. And so that is how we come across him. And then also and moreover, I get an idea that everybody in this Kartik Masa sleeping, they will be wrapping themselves with many blankets and see that they are comfortable inside. When they were to get up at all early in the morning, they have to relinquish that kind of comfort. And then that means the moment you get out, you feel continuation of cold. But when once you do some exercise or yoga, you become normal. So Sveta Aditya, I always, and moreover, Sadhyo Jatam Prapadyami, Sadhyo Jataya Vai Namo Namaha. So Paramatma is Sadhyo Jataha. And so for him, we will make namaskara to him. So we have been given the knowledge about Surya Bhagavan, seasons, time creation, and also the other gods and how he is connected with other Rudras, Rudranis, Vasu, and so on. So we have a great amount of knowledge imparted in the Taittiriya Aranyaka Arana Prashna regarding the Surya Bhagavan. And having had lot of theoretical knowledge about Surya Bhagavan, so we have got to worship him through some homa. Are called yajna, Arunaketuka Agnim Jinvana. So we have to make a yajna. And therein also we have got just Arunaki Apovaidam. Before that, we are just there. Now we are talking about the Agnis. Yeah, which are the Agnis which you want to worship? So the question was being put as we see, Kamagnim Chunute is the good question, quest. Because Agnis are great number. Then we have come across the answers to that. To begin with, we have the worship to Agni, and the model of working or worshipping the Agni is just after the procedure ordained in the Agnihotra ceremony or Darsapurna Masa ceremony or in Pasubandha ceremony, there's Soma sacrifice, and Chaturmasyeshu, and so Saathava Sarveshu Yajna Kratushu. So the procedure, the laboratory manual is there, which is for the whole, and that manual is almost common to all that. So now I am in the just trying to recapitulate how many kinds of Agnis, and so here we have got inka down velandi Gulpadagrim and Tarada Pine. Just go down. Yeah, it was Idaman Lokan Pratyakshina ఎస్, వెళ్ళింది ఇక్కడ చేద్దాం. సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాను, నాచికేతం అగ్ని. ఎస్, కరెక్ట్. సో ఒక్కొక్క రకమైనటువంటి అగ్నిని మనం పూజిస్తే ఒక్కొక్క రకమైనటువంటి ఫలితాలు ఉన్నాయి. ఇట్స్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ పర్ఫార్మింగ్ పూజ టు శివలింగ, getting the different phala or results or benefits depending upon the material with which the Shivalinga has been done. Because Mrunmayalinga is there, Spatikalinga is there, or Suvarnalinga is there, and Hiranyalinga is there, or you have got and also you have got also copper in the model, whatever it is. So whatever be the linga worship is being recommended of Abhisheka. Like that, linga again is Agni, because Agni is ultimately reduces into Bhasma. Bhasmantam. So Bhasma is the Agni's ultimate thing, because that's why Agni Bhasma. And because of the Agni Bhasma, because he is Rudra is Agni by himself, so he will be liking that ultimate of his own consummation of life. ఎవరికైనా భస్మను చూస్తే గౌరవం వస్తుంది. ఆ భస్మను మనం తీసుకుంటే అది ఒక రక్షలాగా ఉంటుంది మనకు. అందుకే ఆయనకేమో రుద్రునికి ఏమంటాము, భస్మోద్ధూళిత విగ్రహాయ నమః అని ఆయనకి ఒక కీర్తి, భస్మాభిషేకం కూడా చేస్తాం. అండ్ ఇన్ మహాకాళ టెంపుల్ afternoon sometime around 3 or 4 o'clock, I think, I don't know now, but we observe that they bring in bags some Chita Bhasma and make the Bhasma Abhisheka to Lord Mahakala, and the entire Garbhagudi is just smoky. You cannot see him or anybody or Purohit who is, but they are so much oriented and habituated and not at all affected when they do the Bhasma Abhisheka to the Sivalinga or Mahakala. Well, that's all divine. We should believe that divine support and healing and protection is always there, those people who worship them, because anybody who helps will not be harmed generally, unless one is a dirty fellow. So here Rudra being a Pavitra, so Pavitravanta Parivajamasate Taisham Pratno Abhirakshati Vratam. You remember that Pavitravantaha Parivajamasate. So anybody who is a Pavitravan, he will get the rewards, Parivajam. That is all-round benefits. Vaja means benefit. Parivaja means all-round benefits. Whatever, because there are hundreds and thousands of people who go to the worship of Riva, and all people don't have a common desire, but they have individually selected desires in them. But our Sankara, Rudra, Surya Bhagavan, is very much general to all of them, and accordingly he will meet up their expectations. And that's why it is said that what Agni you are going to do it, and in Agnihotra, Pasubandha and all that, then we have come to Aruna Swayambhava Agni. Then we are also told that Savitram Agnim Chindvanaha. See, Savitram Agni, and like that we are being introduced. Why at all so many names of Agnis have been given to you? Because he said, Nanava etesham viryani. So etesham viryani nanava. Because Swayambhava, that's exactly what we have noted down, that Agnihotra is with reference to the fire called Savitra Agni, and that kind of Savitra Agni has been proposed by Aruna, and who is the Aruna, who is the son of Swayambhu Manu. Swayambhava is Manu, and they are the promulgators of that. You see, tomorrow, next month, we are having the annual day celebrations, and people have been put forth information about it, bulletin and other necessary things, because Veda Ganga is on way. So there we have got one thing to do. The Rishis are the only persons giving us Vidya, helping us, with which they help us to get emancipation. Janma Rahitya. Janma is normal. Ja means Janma. But Rahitya is to get rid of that kind of Janma. That is, when you don't have a body, there is no problem either to you or to the God. So Uddhava asked Krishna in Bhagavatam, don't give me birth. If you give me birth, Shariram, then you have to work for you and for me. No, let us not. Let us both have a vacation totally. That's what is the plea that Bhakta par excellence got it done. I mean, appeal to Krishna. Because here it is Nanava etesham viryani. Then the whole Agnihotra is known in different forums. That is, there is no connection between, however, so like that, since powers, viryani of these Agnis are independent, have variety in them. That's exactly where to mark. Agni, Nanava annappudu, Nana ante different. ఒక్కొక్క అగ్నికి ఒక్కొక్క రకమైనటువంటి పవర్ ఉంటుంది. Govindaraja, what is that Agni power varying in fan, in refrigerator, microwave?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಹೋದೆ, ಹೇಳಿ ಗುರುಗಳೇ.
So you observe in fridge, refrigerator, in fan, in engine, in so whatever electronic equipment, even in medical electronics also.
ನೋಡಿ,
one apparatus is there to measure your blood pressure, another to measure your blood sugar, another to talk about the sound, I mean, the sense of the liver, all internal parts, and there is X-ray machine which will catch up your bone also.
Yes,
Aruna Prashna and in Mahanarada Upanishad, we have been pointed out the build of our body is so great that things are easily visible, but not the bone.
ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಗುರುಗಳು. ಈಗ ತಾನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಭುವನ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ವಿಷಯ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅದೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಗುರುಗಳೇ. ಸಾರಿ, ಐ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಯು ಮಚ್. ಇದೇ ವಿಷಯ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಗುರುಗಳೇ.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಗುರುಗಳೇ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅರುಣ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಅಯ್ಯಗಾರಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ತಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದಿರ ಗುರುಗಳೇ. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಹೆಡ್.
And other name Mahanarana Upanishadalli, he said there are 8 layers in our body which a surgeon must be past master.
Yeah.
Charma, Mamsa, Rudhira, Majja, Medha, Snayava, Astini. So at what level is the problem for the body, the surgeon must detect. To detect it, he has to employ the Agni. That is an apparatus, power-ridden apparatus. So like that, Nanava etesham agninam viryani. Understand? Etesham is agninam. Whether it is something like Savitra Agni or Amadagni or Kravyadagni, Ahavaniya Agni or anything like that. Amadagni means burning the corpses, burning the mutton, not sacred. Kravyadagni means preparing food for the departed people. That's not safe. But that Agni is called Ahavaniya Agni, Dakshina Agni, Vaiswanara Agni. This is what is sacred. So like that, we do not know Agni Rupaha. We don't know the various forms of the energy. That energy is being talked about Viryani. So the word Virya is unimaginable, indefinable amount of strength and a mystery.
Yes.
So in Rigveda, we have Vishnurnu Viryani Pravocham Yah Parthiva Rajagumsi Askabhat. This mantra will tell you Viryani Vishnoho. Vishnu is Agni only. And Parthivani Mimame, whatever material, science, physics, whatever physical things that you are there, all of them are being measured by Vishnu. So after all, as I told, it's all, what is that? Science, meter reading. Everybody has to do meter reading. But Nama
Okay.
life, Papa Punya meter reading is not with us, but in the heaven, in Yamaloka. So Hava Kottagate Amma, that Yama will start telling, hey, this is the percentage of your Punyam, this is the percentage of your Papam. What do you want me to do? Where I should post you when your case is taken. So ultimately, something like in Mahabharata, Dharmaraja wanted to look his brothers suffering in the hell and asking his father, how my brothers already suffered a lot in when they are there in the land, but still again given the suffering. And he went to Swarga and found Duryodhana and brothers enjoying all Swarga Sukham. He was confused. He went to his father immediately because he said, then father told Dharmaraja, he says, you came first to hell, then to heaven, because you also did a lot of apunyam. You spoke untruth 2 times. So 2 times you spoke untruth, therefore you had to have a bypass, not bypass to heaven. The hell, you have to come, step in and go to bus stand and then go to other places where you want. So bypass means don't go to bus stand or railway station. You will go straight away to the place. So Dharmaraja was told that your brothers, I gave option to your brothers what they want to do. Then Pandavas chose to, because we have been suffering and dukkham when we're living in the land. So let us continue and complete it and go once and for all to Sargalokam. Na punaravrutte, no more return to Narakaloka to have a sample. And Duryodhana, they said, no, I don't want. So in that manner, you have the one sentence in Aruna Prashna is open for so much of commentatorial activity and intelligence. This Karuna Prashna has also been commented by Bhattabhaskara, Sayanacharya, and so many other people have commented, but no 2 commentators say the same thing, but they have got something to contribute. Therefore, on 16th and 17th December, we are having one more tag, contribution of the Rishis and Vyakyakaras. That is the commentators. See, Rishis are general. They only give you the text. But who will give the notes? So the commentators give us the notes. Whether it's a footnote or regular note, we don't know. Therefore, Rishi and Vyakyakara, they form the whole circle. Something like Socrates telling, love is divided, half, 1 half and 2 half. When both halves are together, then love flows. So like that, nanava etesham viryani. And again it is Savitra sarvo agnihi ityana anushangam manyamahe. So which is the source Agni who is generating all these things to us? Who is the source Agni? Savitra Agni. And the Savitra, Savitru is the 6th aspect of Aditya. Mitra, Ravi, Surya, Bhanu, Khaja, Pusha, Hiranyagarbha, Savitra, and Marichi, Bhaskarebhyo Namaha, Namaskaram Samarpayami. Is Savitra, Savita is the person who is the source. Why? By name and definition, Savita is said to be impeller. We have got somebody to initiate and also make it accelerated or make it pick up speed. Therefore, we make Savitri Upasana, Gayatri Upasana. Gayatri is direct, Savitri is secondary. As you understand, in this play, in the Aruna Prashna Isnal itself, Gayatri Mantropadesa is done to a boy in between 8 and 16 years. And supposing he crosses the 16th year for a Brahmachari, he loses the eligibility to get the Gayatri Mantra. He will be given Savitri Mantra. So Savitri Mantra is different. That also is given in our Aruna Prashna. Probably you must have to refer to your notes earlier when I was teaching that. See, Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat is Gayatri mantra. Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya, no, Devasya Bhojanam Vayam, and that is what there is a second line is changed. And Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat retained. So Savitri mantra, Gayatri mantra, Savitri mantra. Like that, we have Savitri means Vayam Devasya Bhojanam means we are trying to get hold of enjoyment and necessary mundane success and achievements, etc., owing to the grace of Savitru Devata. And so on. Therefore, he says, Savitrasya Sarvo Agnihi Ananushangam Manyamahe is the beautiful verb. We are all believing that there is the Agni connection to Savitra Agni than any other Agni that we are going to. So Savitram Agnim, that's why in the next paragraph you observe that Kim Agnim, Kamagnim Chinute, which is the Agni you are going to do it, then we are Kamagnim Chinute and Savitramagnim Chinvana. Before that, we have got also, after that, we have got Satriyamagnim Chinvana. Satriyamagnim Chinvana, Savitramagnim Chinvana. So, you are trying to worship the Agni called Savitra Agni and expecting direct reward from the Paramatma. Actually, దేవుళ్ళు మనల్ని ఆశీర్వాదం చేయాలి అంటే we don't want any agents. గురువు ఎంతవరకు వస్తాడు? మంత్రోపదేశం వరకు గురువు. మంత్రోపదేశం అయిన తర్వాత ఆ మంత్రానుష్ఠానము సిద్ధి అనేది శిష్యుడి మీద ఆధారపడి ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఆ శిష్యుడు ఆ మంత్రోపదేశాన్ని వదిలేస్తే దరిద్రుడిగా తయారవుతాడు. మంత్రత్యాగి దరిద్రత అని మన స్మృతికారులు చెప్తారు. ఏ మంత్రాన్ని మనం త్యాగం చేయకూడదు, చెప్పుకుంటూ ఉండు ఎప్పుడు ఉంటే అప్పుడు. Whenever you remember so and so, you just utter. You are always free. But you should not put a wall for the mantra in our mind. Therefore, that's why it is said, Satriyam Agnim Chinvana annappudu, actually Agni Karyam is to be for 12 days. Ade Satram antaru. Satriya or Satra. అంటే 12 years, 12 days, 12 years, 12 hours అండ్ రిపిటేషన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. అందుకే ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ మహాభారత ఇన్ రామాయణం ఆఫ్టర్ రామ పట్టాభిషేకం వాట్ ఈస్ ది వర్క్ ఫార్ ది మదర్స్? ది రాజమాతలు ముగ్గురున్నారు కదా, కౌసల్య, సుమిత్ర అండ్ కైకేయి. వాళ్ళ ముగ్గురికి ఏం పని? ఇంకా వాళ్ళ భోగాలు అనుభవించుతూ ఉంటే దే హ్యావ్ సఫిషియెంట్లీ ఎంజాయ్డ్ భోగం ఇన్ ది రాయల్ ప్యాలెసెస్. సీనియర్ సిటిజన్స్ అయిన తర్వాత one has to develop a kind of detachment, not for only for our mundane things, but attachment for the rites and upasanas, anushtanas connected to be senior citizens. Because Krishna in Bhagavad Gita told us, Janma karma cha me vidhi. Me means everybody. So as long as you sustain the Janma, karma is tagged with us. And only when you leave the body, then punyam and papam karmas will become zero. That's exactly what Yajnavalkya Maharshi tells in the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Probably our Govind must have noted down. He said, the moment a person takes a body, first of all, what is that clings to the body is a papam. So, papam is a companion the moment you take birth out from the mother's womb. When born, he is like a Surya Bhagavan, Aruna Bimba. As the time progresses, the color of the baby born will change. Then Sveta Aditya. So like that, so papam comes into that. And in what form it will reflect, it will appear is again a question mark. Depends upon the punyam that which with which we are being pushed out into the world. So therefore, Janma Dukkham, that is, see, Janma Dukkha people will attend. They will sometimes, the babies are kept in incubators. So many things are there. Suddenly the baby is born, it will pick up some kind of jaundice or something. But without all these crises in the body, clean, wash ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನಗುತ್ತಾ suckling the mother's milk and growing up is a మహాపుణ్యం. ఆ కర్మ అనేది అప్పటి నుంచి పుడుతుంది. And even until the death also the karma will pursue. Tomorrow we have got a professor who is talking about the మృత్యు రూపాహ, మృత్యు గురించి మాట్లాడుతారు, ఎస్కటాలజీ అంటాం. He is going to present a beautiful paper on the mrityu or death, what happens after death. And as long as we are conscious, we know everything. But when once you lose consciousness or the life in from us, the body becomes simply a nuisance. Within no time, the body picks up the weightage. That's why it is easy to carry a living man than a dead body. So anyway, that's a different matter. Here, Satriyam Agnim Sanmana ante Satram, long drawn Agni worship. So the Rishyasrunga, the son-in-law of the family of Rama, Vishnu Rupam, he took away the 3 matas to his ashrama with a plea that they should attend the 12 years Satra Agni, Satra that Rishyasrunga planned and executing. So during this 12 years only, a lot of havoc happened in the life of Rama that is being told in the Uttarakanda of Ramayana, etc. So thereby, Uttarakanda people don't take it as a part of Parayanam. Normally, Ramayana is Parayanam up to the Pattabhishekam. So anyway, so Kamagni Satriyamagnim Chandvanaha, 12 days right, 12 years right, when Agni is worshipped, because the Satriya is a kind of Agni who belongs to Satra form of worship. And again, there comes another question, is there Nana Agni anta helidaralva? Agnulu రకరకాల అగ్నులు ఉన్నాయి. ఆ రకరకాల అగ్నుల లోపల ఎటువంటి అగ్నులు మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి? నేమింగ్ ఆల్సో ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సింప్లీ ఆల్, no matter. When you say all, you should know what is that all. For example, so for example is being given by our Rishi in Aruna Prashna, saying that next choice is Savitra Magnim Chindvanaha. So Savitra Agni expecting some reward. So reward-free Agna is never there. Karma Paleshu Dushtam Durgam Devigum Saranamaham Prabhajye Sutarasi Tarase Namaha. So why the word Sutarasi, Tarasa are verb and noun attributed to Durga Parameswari, Ammavaru, Adisekti Swarupini? Because her duty is always to keep on judging karma and phala. So karma, phala, they are tagged each other. Something like Newton's reaction, the first law and chapter. Antamunde Kanada has already told that all these Newton's 3 laws, they are borrowed ones by Newton, but people don't know. Kanada is a great scientist, Rishi, who has talked about the 3 laws of motion. Anyway, so here, Savitra Magnim Chinvanaha annappudu, Savita andre Prasavita or impeller or the initiator or impetus. A action kuda, we want impetus. Without impetus, we don't start working. So, impetus provide chesevadu Savitru Devata. Now, Savitru Devata Agni and Chinvanaha. Well, our quest won't stop just by telling that Savitra Agni. Again, another question was asked by the Kamagnim Chinute. Yeah. The investigation anedi, research anedi, detective society, detective quest anedi normally won't stop. Oka murder investigate cheyalana, ఒక డిసీజ్ కాజెస్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేట్ చేయాలన్నా హౌ మెనీ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ అప్రోచెస్ ఆర్ బీయింగ్ డన్ వదలరు. అల్టిమేట్లీ వన్ హ్యాస్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ what exactly is the cause behind. Some time back, a diabetic patient, ఎందుకు there is a lot of itching. సో అన్ని రకాల అవుట్ సైడ్ టెస్ట్ మిగతా టెస్ట్లు చేస్తే they were not able to cite that, but they made some extraordinary special test through which it revealed the reason for that kind of persistent irritation, etc. So like that, వీర్యవంతమైనటువంటి అగ్నిని మనము పూజించాలి. సో అన్ని అగ్నులు వీర్యవంతులే, కానీ వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ వీర్యం యూ వాంట్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ ఈజ్ అవర్ క్వెస్ట్. బికాస్ do you want to go in express way or normal way or a village way? Or so whenever you choose to drive your car, you always have got option. In America, I don't know India, but they say that express way from airport to town to go, they always put forth board 80 miles speed. Which car will go at 80 miles speed? No, there are brakes and brakes. Anyway, so here one more thing is kamagnim chinute. Then nachiketamagnim chinvanah kamagnim chinute. Chaturahotriyamagriyam chinvanah kamagnim chinute. Vaisvasrujamagnim chinvanah kamagnim chinute. ఉపానువాక్యమాసుమగ్నిం చిన్వానః కమగ్నిం చినుతే యుమారుణకేతకమగ్నిం చిన్వాన ఇతి. There, the ending of the question, we have to build a wall, something like our Walmart, where everything is available, but at a considerable price, I think so. So please repeat, Rama garu, kamagnim చెప్పండి. కమగ్నిం చినుతే సావిత్రం.
కమగ్నిం చినుతే. ఎక్కడి నుండి చదవమంటారు? సారీ,
అదే ఇక్కడి నుంచి సత్రియమగ్నిం చిన్వాన, అక్కడి నుంచి రాదు. ఆదిత్యం ప్రత్యక్షే ప్రాణాన్ ప్రత్యక్షే, అక్కడ చదవండి పోనీ, ఉన్నది కదా.
నాచికేతమగ్నిం చిన్వానః ప్రాణాన్ ప్రత్యక్షేణ కమగ్నిం చినుతే చాతుర్హోత్రియమగ్నిం చిన్వానః బ్రహ్మ ప్రత్యక్షేణ కమగ్నిం చినుతే వైశ్వస్పృజమగ్నిం చిన్వానః శరీరం ప్రత్యక్షేణ కమగ్నిం చినుతే ఉపానువాక్యమాసుమగ్నిం చిన్వానః ఇమాన్ లోకాన్ ప్రత్యక్షేణ కమగ్నిం చినుతే ఇమాం అరుణకేతుకమగ్నిం చిన్వాన ఇతి.
Very good. So whenever iti comes, a kind of stop, full stop. The pursuit will be almost stopped. So we have got, the question is, Savitram Agni and Nachiketa Agni and Chaturhotriya Agni and Vaisvasam Agni and Upanuvakyam Agni Chinvanaha. ఇవంతా ఎందుకు అంటే ప్రాణాన్ ప్రత్యక్షేణ, చూసారా, ప్రాణాన్ ప్రత్యక్షేణ. సో ప్రత్యక్షేణ ప్రాణాన్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, somewhere I don't know here. Okay, వదిలేసేయండి. మీరు చదివే ప్రాణం అక్కడ ఉంది. నాచికేతమగ్నిం చిన్వానః ప్రాణాన్ ప్రత్యక్షేణ కమగ్నిం చినుతే. కరెక్ట్. సో నాది, నా పుస్తకంలో అది మిస్ అయిపోయింది. సో ప్రత్యక్షేణ ప్రాణాన్, బికాజ్ మన లైఫ్ లోపల, మన బాడీలో ప్రాణం ఇంపార్టెంట్. హౌ మెనీ ప్రాణాస్ ఆర్ దేర్? ప్రాణ మీన్స్ సెన్సరీ థింగ్స్, సెన్సిటివిటీ. ఆ సెన్సిటివిటీ అనేటువంటిది ఎన్ని రకాలుగా ఉంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, wherever you touch the skin, it is having a touch effect. So that's exactly what we call prana. ఎక్కడ గిచ్చినా కూడా, ఎక్కడ ముట్టుకున్నా కూడా, that's why it is said skin is the mother of all senses అంటారు. So skin is the mother of all senses. So ఆ స్కిన్, ఆ సెన్సు లేకపోతే అది రోగం వస్తుంది. సో దట్, ఆ రోగం పేరు వేరే. కాబట్టి ప్రాణాన్ ప్రత్యక్షేణ. దెన్ అనదర్ వన్ Another Agni is called as Chaturhotriyam Agnim Chinvanaha. So Chaturhotriya Agni ante ఈ చాతుర్మాస్యం అని చేస్తుంటారు. 4 నెలలు ఒక వ్రతం పట్టుకొని ఆ చాతుర్మాస్యం లోపలనే ఈవెన్ వంట కూడా ఒక రకంగా ఉంటుంది. దే కెనాట్ ఎంజాయ్ వండర్ఫుల్ ఫుడ్ విత్ ఆల్ వగ్రణి అది ఇది వేసి చక్కగా చేసుకొని తినరు. అది చాతుర్మాస్య ఆహారమే డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. ఇన్ చికాగో ఇన్ వన్ మధ్వ ఇన్ రాఘవేంద్ర స్వామి మఠం there was a program some last week. At that time I went to give a talk on the Raghavendra Ashtottaram, and Madam also went and sang some around 2-4 compositions, and afterwards we went to prasadam break, and akkada those people organizers told us, sir, there are 2 varieties of food. వన్ ఈజ్ మామూలుగా ఉన్న ఫుడ్, ఇంకోటి చాతుర్మాస్యం ఫుడ్ కూడా పెట్టాము. మీకు ఏది కావాల్సి వస్తే ఇక్కడ చాతుర్మాస్యం వీఆర్ రన్నింగ్, సో ఏ ఫుడ్ కావాల్సి ఆ ఫుడ్ తీసుకోండి అని చెప్తే ఇట్ వాజ్ ఎ న్యూస్ టు మీ బికాజ్ ఐ నెవర్ నో ఆల్ దీస్ డీటెయిల్స్. సో ఎస్టర్డే ఐ కేమ్ టు లైట్ దట్ చాతుర్మాస్యంలో కూడా రకమైనటువంటి డిసిప్లైన్ అండ్ అబ్జర్వెన్స్ అండ్ వ్రతాచరణ ఈజ్ దేర్. సో ఆ చాతుర్మాస్యం లోపల ఏమొస్తుందంటే బ్రహ్మ ప్రత్యక్షేణ అని వస్తుంది. అంటే ప్రత్యక్షంగా బ్రహ్మ అనుభవం కలగడానికి. వాట్ ఈజ్ బ్రహ్మ అనుభవం? ఆనందానుభవం. బికాస్ ఇన్ తైత్రీయ ఉపనిషత్ యూ కమ్ యూ గెట్ మహానారాయణ ఉపనిషత్ ఎల్వేర్ యూ గెట్ వాట్ యూ కాల్ ఇస్ ఆనంద మీమాంస. ఈ ఆనంద మీమాంస లోపల ఆనందమేమిది. ఆనందం అంటే అందరూ nowadays those people who take to పరివ్రాజకత్వం, they all go by the name Anandas. Hundreds of Anandas are there, but the question is whether they are really Anandas or not. Paramananda, Abhayananda, Nistala Ananda, etc. Santosh Ananda, ఇలాంటి స్వాములు ఎంతమందో ఉన్నారు. కానీ వాళ్ళకు అడిగితే వాళ్ళు ఉపన్యాసాలు ఇస్తుంటారు, బట్ how much ఆనందం they have got, I don't know. But still, here we have got that Brahma Pratyakshen, అంటే బ్రహ్మానుభవం పొందాలి. సో ప్రజ్ఞాన ఘనం బ్రహ్మ, there are so many definitions for Brahma. సో ఈ బ్రహ్మను బెనిఫిట్గా పొందడము అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? అటువంటి ఆనందాన్ని పొందాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఈవెన్ దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ గాయత్రి ఉపాసన. మీరు గాయత్రి మంత్రం వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ డూ ఇట్ కొనకు కంప్లీట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమంటారు? ఓం తత్సతు బ్రహ్మార్పణమస్తు అంటాం. సో గాయత్రి బ్రహ్మమంత్రం. సో ఆ బ్రహ్మమంత్రాన్ని చెప్పించిన తర్వాత ఆ బ్రహ్మకే అర్పణం చేయాలి. టు నో వన్ ఎల్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్. దెర్ ఆర్ అదర్ మంత్రాస్ టు హూమ్ యూ సరెండర్ ఆర్ అప్లై ఫార్, బట్ గాయత్రి మంత్రం వచ్చినప్పుడు సర్వం శ్రీ బ్రహ్మార్పణమస్తు. అందుకే మన దేహం కూడా బ్రహ్మనే. శరీరం బ్రహ్మ అన్నప్పుడు అందుకే శరీరం మే విచర్షణం, జిహ్వా మే మధుమత్తమ, కర్ణాభ్యాం భూరి విశ్రమం, బ్రహ్మణ కోశోసి మేధయా పిహిత, శృతం మే గోపాయ. I hope you remember this particular Upanishad. There, Shanno Mitrasyam Varunah, ఇలాంటివన్నీ చెప్తూ ఉంటాం. అక్కడ శరీర, వాట్ ఈస్ ది శరీరం? శరీర ఈజ్ సెట్ టు బి విచర్షణ. ఆ విచర్షణ ఈజ్ బ్రహ్మత్వాన్ని పొందడానికి ఎలిజిబిలిటీ ఉండేది. సో ఓన్లీ త్రూ బాడీ యు ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు ఎలివేట్ ఇన్ టు ద రియల్ బ్రహ్మ. So real and unreal, between them we are all sandwiched. If we have got the Vedanta Vijnana Vinischitartha expertise, we will be able to decide between the two and opt for the Brahma Jnanam, Brahma Margam, and Brahma Margani evaru anusaristaro Brahmaiva Bhavati. That's why one of the Mahavakyas proposed, advanced by Shankara, is that Aham Brahmasmi. He did not stop. Brahmaivaham. And So aham brahmasmi, confirmation, brahmaivaham, na paraha. See, paratvam anedi drop అయిపోతుంది. When the paratvam, that is fear. When paratvam is dropped, you remain as a Brahma. When you become real, in reality a Brahma, you have really achieved the goals of human life. So here you observe that Chatrahatriyam Brahma Pratyakshena. Again, Kamagnim Chinute, Chappanu, because we have already commentaries and all that. Let us not dilate more into that, because when you say that Brahma Pratyakshena is really a remarkable statement, whereby you are being driven in the spiritual path towards a goal of reaching Brahmananda. That's why Annamaya Pranamaya Manomaya Vigna Annamaya Pranamaya Manomaya Vigna Namayam Anandamayam Atma. Ani Arunaketaka, I mean, that Bhrugavalli Lopala Atma definition వస్తుంది. సో ఈ ఆత్మ యొక్క లేయర్స్ ఒకటో ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంటే పంచకోశ విద్య అంటారు. ఇవన్నీ లేయర్స్ అన్నీ మనం పోతూ ఉంటే వచ్చేస్తుంటుంది. అట్లా ఇక్కడ చిన్వానః, దెన్ కమగ్నిం చినుతే వైశ్వసృజమగ్నిం సన్వానః. We are now creating the Vishwasruk Agni. Is called Vaiswasruk Agni. And the Agni which is able to give rise for any and everything in the universe. So that's why it's called a Vaiswasruj. Vishwasruj means we create. Vaiswasrujamagnim Chinvanaha. I am going to revere that Agni which is called Vaiswasruk Agni. So then here we got Vaiswasruchu and Upanvakya are specific Agnis which are individually great and quick and rewarding when worshipped. So in Nachiketa Agni, Chaturhotra, Vaiswasruja Agni for the Sarira Pratyaksha, and Upanvakya Agni Chinvanaha. Asu Chinvanaha, Upanavakyam, Asu Agni. Asu Agni also is there. So inni Agnulu, Upanvakya and Asu. Asu means quick, immediate, instantaneous. So it is a question, what is the reward expected by revering each of these Agnis separately? So Agni Aradhana, Agni Adhana, Agni Homa or Agnihotra, all these things are very, very effective and powerful. So the text does not qualify the kind of reward owing to individual Agni's worship. అంటే ఆసు అగ్నిం చిన్వానః అని ఇంకా ఎందుకంటే without benefits we are not supposed to take up Agni puja, but the moment you take to Agni worship, you are becoming stronger. We have got, in Telugu literature, we have got a beautiful book written by a Telugu poet, I think Nannaya or somebody, Manu Charitra. And there is a Pravaraksha అనే ఒక బ్రాహ్మణుడు అగ్ని పూజ చేసిన వాడు. ఆయనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి పసురు with which he can move any place that he wanted. He went with that pasuru or that kind of power to Himalayas. But unfortunately, in Himalayas, that got liquefied and disappeared, almost alive. He has lost the power of going any and everywhere. He wanted to get back home and perform Agnihotra, but he doesn't. And meanwhile, another beautiful lady, Varudhini, comes and tries to tempt the Brahmin and make him. But that when it came to a zenith point, then he remembered Agni. Ayya, నీవు ఇచ్చిన పసురు అయిపోయింది, take me back to my home, I want to worship you. Then with the power of the Agni, he obliged and he was back home, escaping that kind of love trouble and all that kind of diversion in his life. This is the theme of the, I think, Manu Charitra also. And so like that, we have Agni who is able to provide anything. Upanuvakya is also one of the important kind of Agni, that Upanuvakyam Ashu. So Upanuvakyam means it is a Anuvakya. Anuvaka and repeating the mantra and sitting close by to the Agni Deva and doing that is a most powerful one. That is whose features are described in Upamsu Kanda of Yajurveda or Upasana Kanda. In the Upamsu or Upasana Kanda of Yajurveda gives about the Agni. Because Yajurveda is after all a knowledge providing on the operational technique of Agni, in how many forms, in how many ways, in the, we are able to meddle Agni for personal and impersonal benefit. Therefore, before we are actually coming into the Arunaketuka Agni Anusthana, Arunaketuka Agni Homa, Arunaketuka Agni form of worship, these are all the various variety of Agnis which have been proposed or advanced by our Aruna Prashna Rishis, and ultimately going up to the Arunaketuka Agni, and that is the wall of all that. The wall of all Agnis will be the Arunaketuka Agni wall, which means that there should be a kind of stop and maximum through which you will be able to achieve the best spiritual success and wisdom. And next month, please propagate. We have got a scholar, a scientist, who is trying to talk about the Rishis, whose contribution is there in to have the knowledge of Surya Bhagavan in Aruna Prashna. Already he has given an article which published in our Vedanada Sarit, October issue. The Rishi is important for the Saura Suktam Mahasauram of Rigveda, and he has enlisted more than 13 Rishis. And even in the present November bulletin also, for reference sake, we have included all the 13 Rishis, plus how the Rishis are operative enough to give us emancipation. Because Rishi Vina Nakinchidapi Pravartate Gnane Vignane Cha. So, like that, here you observe that all these Agnis worship are highly rewarding, and therefore Agni Anusthana, Agni Puja is important. And we have got Vaiswadevam, people do it Vaiswadeva, Aruna, then we have got several Agnikaryam. Most basic thing is the Agnikaryam. And again, we have got one professor talking on Agnikaryam, the benefits and the agama for that kind of worship and all that. So these are all the two are the important topics that are going to figure in our next annual day celebrations. We should thank them that they are preparing papers for that, but I got the only title topics. So why I am mentioning beforehand to give you curiosity. Agni Deva is very much important. What Agni cannot do? Because Agni Mukha Vai Devaha antar. So all gods keep Agni as their representative, as their person. So if Agni is there, even if the god is absent, the palam will go to him. For example, Chandraya Swaha. Chandra may not be present. It will be broad daylight. But you do the homam saying that Chandraya Swaha. But Agni knows where Chandra located. So instantaneously, not easy speed, is Agni speed. That's why Ashu. You observe Upanuvakyam 1. Ashu Agnim Chinvana. See, Ashu, you should know that if Ashu means quick, urgent, instantaneous, immediate. And if it is Sakara Sa, the Sarivara Sa idu, అండ్ ఇప్పుడు చక్కరే సా, చక్కెరకి సా ఉంది కదండి కరణంలో, ఆ చక్కరే సా అయితే అది ఆసు అంటే ప్రాణాలు. మన ప్రాణాలు దెబ్బతిందంటే ఆసుపత్రి, పా అంటే ప్రొటెక్షన్, పాలన, ట్రీట్మెంట్, 3 అంటే ప్లేస్. సో వీ గో టు ద హాస్పిటల్ వేర్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈస్ సాల్వ్డ్ అండ్ యువర్ సెంట్ బ్యాక్ హోమ్. దేర్ఫోర్ ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ ఆసుపత్రి. ఆసు ప్రాణములు, పా పాలకము, ట్రీట్మెంట్, 3 అనేది లొకేషన్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ వై ఆసుపత్రి కమ్స్ ఇన్ టు బీయింగ్. అండ్ in English also, hospital. Petal means stanam. Hose means the tubes. So tube means connections. Connection means treatment. So they mean pranam. In fact, in Telangana Telugu, వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు, స్వామి మా ప్రాణాలు సరిలేదు అంటారు, మంచిగా లేదు అంటారు, ప్రాణం దెబ్బతింది ఏంటి అంటారు. సో ఇలాంటి కొలోక్వియల్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లోపల మనకేం అర్థమవుతుంది అంటే, సి ఆసు ఈజ్ ట్రీట్మెంట్, ఆసు ఈజ్ ద అగ్ని. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ దోష ఈజ్ దేర్ ఇన్ us, that dosha would be cancelled or reduced and removed. Thereafter we become all right. Therefore the treatment and becoming well is what is important. In all these activities connected, Agni is simply matchless. And therefore in Arunaketaka, in Aruna Prashna, Aruna is Surya Bhagavan, Aruna is Agni. That's why we are going to face one more line. Your worship per day will be Arunaya, 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 Vrata Homaha. Your Vrata Arunaya, Vrata Homaha. Nama Vratagalu, Vrata Homagalu, avella Arunaya, Arunaya. So all these things must be there. So we are trying to locate or come to know the various kinds or variety of Agnis, and by upasana of respective Agnis, what is the kind of benefit we are going to get. Even that also is marked out. When it is said that Pranan Pratyakshena or Brahma Pratyakshena, then Sariram Pratyakshena, Asu Pratyakshena, and like that, ultimately we are going to have further effects about it. So when you talk about the laboratory job, experimentation, we always look at the reward. అదే కెమిస్ట్రీ ల్యాబొరేటరీ లోపల అంతా విచిత్రాలు ఉంటుంటుంది. ఏ యాసిడ్ దేంతో కలిపితే ఏమొస్తుందో అంటారు. వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ లాఫింగ్ గ్యాస్ అండ్ అదర్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ గ్యాసెస్ ఆర్ దట్ మిక్సింగ్, అండ్ యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఇన్ టెస్ట్ ట్యూబ్. సో దట్స్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ వాట్ ఈస్ Aruna Prashna, where there is a motley kind of benefit and experiences and understanding and wisdom. So with this few words, I think few explanations, we are stopping here and we continue next. So thank you. Surlingaya, Om Swasti.
Om Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hariye Paramatmane Pranata Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha Krishnaya Yadavendraya Gnanamudraya Yogine Nathaya Rukmineshaya Namo Vedanta Vedine Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya cha Nanda Gopakumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramadhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnan Vande Jagadgurum. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Apadamauli Paryandam Guru Namakrutyam Smaret Tena Vigna Pranashanti Siddhyanti cha Manoratah. Yadhaksharam Padabhrastam Matrahinanto Yadbhavet Tatsarvam Kshamyatam Deva Narayana Namastute. विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनानि चातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तमाः आभिर्गिर्भिर्यदतो न ऊनमाप्यायय हरिहो वर्धमानः यथा स्तोत्रभ्यो मयि गोत्रारुजासि भो इष्टभाजो अदत्येषाम ब्रह्म प्रवादि स्म तन्नामहासीत्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। ओम सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। हरि ओम तत्सत्। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु श्रीवासुदेवार्पणमस्तु श्रीवेदपुरुषाशीर्वादोऽस्तु। ओम श्री मातृचरणारविन्दार्पणमस्तु। ओम तत्सत्। हरि ओम नमस्ते।
Thank you very much. So